Hey guys, welcome to my long promised video about the companion robot Loona from K-Tech, the company which has become famous through its robot building set ClickBot. So my initial intention to buy Loona is that we don't want a real pet for my daughters yet, and therefore in order to have one pet at home with an addition of AI and programming, Loona was the perfect choice. I have found Loona on this platform Indiegogo, and the cost was around 500 euros. It has arrived in July 2023, and since then we have played with it sporadically. In order to protect Loona itself and increase the battery life, we have not let it run 24/7 at home. So the product design itself is similar to the digital transformation approach. So it released the unfinished product and develop it further after the release. So the app and the software for Loona have undergone a lot of changes in the last couple of months. But let's start from the beginning. Loona has 4 wheels. The 2 from behind has a more sticky texture and is mainly there to push Loona forwards. The 2 bigger front wheels have less surface area, but act like pet hands. Furthermore, it has 2 adder ears which can express feelings, and you can even play slot machines or fishing with it. It has a sort of sensors on the top of its head, so it knows if you are petting it. Loona's face is a large display, and it has multiple sensors at the front. On the back, Loona has a power button. In terms of power input, you can either charge it via the USB-C port or through a charging station, which connects to Loona on each side of its legs. On the software side, the app supports major languages such as English, Spanish, Simplified and Traditional Chinese. Loona itself supports additional languages such as German, which I am currently using for my kids, but the best language to use is still English. In the package you also have a red cloth for playing bull game with a paper ball to let Loona catch and bring it to you. Moreover, you can even tell Loona to dance or sing a song. Upsides. There are tons of functionalities added on a frequent basis. Even I have not tested all the functions yet. You can even add family members to Loona for it to recognize and speak to you in your name. The software does a great job of guiding you through all the functionalities. You can choose between a quiet or loud, energetic personality for Loona. It also has a mode in which Loona can patrol through your home and call you if it discovers anything suspicious. It is connected to a sort of GPT, and it can take a picture from its camera and describe what it sees in words. The GPT Wonderland does not know any limit. There are just too many possibilities what you can do with it. You can talk to it and it will respond in your preferred language. Moreover, you can play quizzes with it or play other games in combination with a tablet. It also can tell stories to kids. There is also the possibility to create new program for Loona. Downside. There are still things to optimize for Loona, but fortunately there are some things which cannot be fixed through its given hardware. There is a high coil beeping sound when Loona is connected to the charging station, which can be annoying. There are also situations in which Loona breaks out of the sleep mode, if not deactivated by a long press on the power button. When it is waking up and is connected to the USB-C port, the USB cable could break while Loona is taking off. Loona cannot hear as good as, for example, Google Home or other smart speakers, so if there are multiple people in the same room, it cannot recognize the voice easily. As far as I know, Loona cannot recognize stairs. Therefore, I am concerned that it will fall down the stairs one day. Conclusion. So at the moment, the kids are still too young to interact and to make use of all the different functions. But we have a lot of fun, and I hope that with all the updates coming in the next few months, it can become more and more like a real pet. If you find our video helpful, please support me with your subscription and click on the thumbs up. Bye! Beatbox.